Have you ever wondered if your birth date holds the secret to your destiny or how understanding the power of numbers could transform your life? These five numerology books are your gateway to decoding the universe and yourself. Stick around because book number 4 would reveal a life path secret even seasoned numerologists swear by. Our first pick is a true classic, Numerology and Divine Triangle. This book connects numerology to sacred geometry and astrology, making it ideal for spiritual seekers craving a deeper understanding of the universe. What makes it stand out, it offers detailed, easy to follow instructions for calculating core numbers like your life path and soul urge numbers and blend them with the wisdom of tarot. Perfect for anyone who loves exploring mystical connections. Next up is the complete book of numerology by David A. Phillips. If you're just starting and want a book that feels like a friendly guide, this one is for you. Phillips' writing is simple and approachable, making complex concepts easy to understand. Here's what makes it special. The book doesn't just stop at calculation. It divides into practical ways to use numerology for personal growth, relationship, and career decisions. Imagine knowing the perfect day to make a big life choice. This book makes that possible. Now, this one is the fans' favorite. Glynis Has Your Number by Glynis McCants. Known as the Number Lady, Glynis breaks down numerology in fun, engaging way. What makes this book must read? Glynis introduces the power of numbers systems which help you analyze your name and date of birth to uncover personality traits, strengths, and even compatibility with the others. It's practical, fun, and perfect if you are curious about how numbers influence relationships. The next book is a game changer, Numerology with the Tantra, Ayurveda, and Astrology by Harish, Johari. What makes it unique, it blends numerology with ancient Indian traditions, offering a perspective you won't find in Western numerology books. If you are fascinated by how numbers connect to energy, chakras, and even health, this book will open your eyes. And here's the secret, it explains master numbers in a way that feels transformative, perfect for spiritual seekers ready to go deeper. Our final pick is The Secret Science of Numerology by Shirley Blackwell Lawrence. This book is for the curious minds who want to know the why behind the numerology. It dives into the esoteric origins of the numbers and explains their spiritual vibrations. If you have ever wanted to uncover the hidden science behind why numbers hold power, this book is your guide. These books are not just about numbers, they are about unlocking your potential and understanding the deeper currents of your life. By the way, which one was your favorite? Do let me in the comment section below.